Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the recorder or overlay right now. Don't stall on basics. If you use an overlay, press the hotkey or open settings, then navigate to capture or instant replay. Make sure the destination folder exists and you have right permission, otherwise the change won't stick. Once done, note current free space and file type to avoid format conflicts. This step ensures you can change location without interrupting ongoing captures or corrupting existing replay files. Now you actively change the path. Find the Instant Replay or Replay Buffer path field and click Browse or Edit. Choose a folder on a fast drive, SSD if possible, for lower latency and smaller write delays. Pick or create a folder, then confirm selection. Make sure the app shows the new path exactly. Apply changes, but keep the application open so it can validate access. This prevents permission issues and lets you test a quick manual replay without restarting the app. Finish by testing. Trigger a short instant replay and inspect the new folder for the file. That proves success. If the file doesn't appear, check permissions, available disk space, and that the path isn't on a removable drive that disconnected. Make sure antivirus or backup software isn't blocking writes. Add an exclusion if needed. If problems continue, revert to the previous path and restart the app, then retry the move once you've resolved permission or storage conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.